Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see or view any archive messages on Messenger using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So by the way, this tutorial is a very simple tutorial, okay? So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Messenger app. And then here you just want to log in your account if you are not logged in yet. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the three little lines at the upper left corner of your screen. And you can see the archive option or section. So just go ahead and click on that. And then here you can see all of your archive messages on Messenger. So that's so simple, right? So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.